Hey guys, Nerf 287 here.
And Maverick here.
And now we are going to be doing Nerf Time to Die. Oh, come out.
I can't do this. Hey guys, Maverick 200 here. I'm ready to defeat him. I'm ready. Ready, set, kill! Hey, Daddy. What's your real life? He's not my daddy. Okay. Real life, he's not my daddy. Okay. See this. It's strong. Whoa!
Whoa! How much ammo do you have in that thing?
You think you know how much ammo? Hey guys, who wants me to win?
Nobody.
Hello. Hey, what do you want to do? You want to play some Nerf? And hey, you want to play basketball today?
Yeah, sure. Victory!
It's not yours!
Oh crap.
Hey guys, I'm back! You want me to win, right? Say yes, you will. Raise your hand if you want me to win. third time you got it, right? 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 Yes. Yes, you're dead. Yes, since your penis is the weak spot, you're dead. Yes, you're dead. Yes, you're dead. You're dead. Yes, you're dead. Victory is over.